Hello students, let us solve some more questions from the exercise 6.5, and the first question is question number 13. Question number 13, it is given in the question that D and E are the points on the side CA and CB. This is CA, this is CB. D and E are the points of a triangle ABC, right angle at C. This ABC is the right angle at C, and then we have to prove this. So given triangle ACB is a right triangle, D and E are points on AC and BC. It is written in the book CA and CB, so it is better to write CA here and CB here. But same thing is, both are the same. Okay, now we have to prove AE square plus BD square equal AB square plus DE square. So this is the question. We have to solve this. Let us prove. Just see, four right angle triangles are formed here in the figure. First right triangle is ACB, then ACE, this one, also DCE and DCB. So four right triangles are there. So we can form four equations from these right angle triangles by using the Pythagoras theorem. So let us do. In right triangle ACB, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write, I have taken ACB, so by PCT it is AB square equal AC square plus CB square or BC square. This is equation number 1. From here, take the another triangle. Okay, in triangle DCB, in right triangle DCB, by Pythagoras theorem, DCB, this triangle is there, so DB square equal to DC square plus CB square. This is equation number 2. Similarly, in right triangle ACE, by PGT ACE, this triangle AE square equal AC square plus CA square. This triangle ACE, A is the hypotenuse and AC square plus CA square. One more right triangle is there, that is DCE, smaller, DCE. So in right triangle DCE, by Pythagoras theorem, DE square equal DC square plus CE square. This is equation number 4. And now 4 equations are formed here. We will add these equations to get the desired result. Just see here, AE square plus BD square. So this is BD and this is AE. So we will add equation 2 and 3. Adding equation 2 and 3. In equation 2 it is written that DB square, so BD square or DB square is the same. So DB square plus AE square will equal to DC square plus CB square plus AC square plus C square. This one. Now just see, left hand side is matched here. So we can write AE square plus BD square equal to, now we need to have AB square. So just see the equation number first. If you are having AC square plus CB square, which is given here, uh, AC square and CB square, this one. So at the place of AC square and CB square we can write, at the place of AC square and CB square we can write AB square. So just write here AB square and DC plus CE. DC square plus CE square. This is DC and this is CE. So at this place we will write DE square. And after adding this, we have proved the question. AB square plus DA square. Okay, this is the question number 13. Let us have question number 14 now. Question number 14 is, figure is given in this question. So draw the figure at first. Perpendicular is here. This is A, C, D and B. In this question it is given that the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that DB equal to 3CD. Okay, then prove this. So the important thing which is given in the question is, this is question number 14, given in the triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC and also it is given DB equal to 3CD. To prove 2AB square equal 2AC square plus BC square. So let us solve this question. Just see, at first we will take the things which are given in the question. In the question it is given DB equal to 3CD. So this is the BC and BC can be break into two parts. So BC equal to CD plus DB. Okay, so BC equal to CD, at the place of DB we can write 3CD. So just write here 3CD. Therefore BC equal to 4CD. It means CD equal to BC by 4. Okay, so we have done, we have write the value of CD in terms of BC. Also come to write about the CD. This is the BC by 4 and just see one more thing is given, DB equal to, also DB equal to 3CD. So this here we also want to write that DB into the term of BC. So DB equal to 3 into, at the place of CD we can write BC by 4. BC by 4. So this is 3 by 4 BC. So this is the value of DB. Now just see, CD and DB both are in the terms of BC. Now just come in the right triangle, this ADB first and then ADC. So in right triangle, ADB by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square equal AD square plus DB square. This is equation number 3. And in this triangle, in right triangle ADC, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square equal AD square plus CD square. This is equation number 4. So we will take the equation number 3 and equation number 4 and we will write here, just this is here. So we will take equation 3 and 4. So 3 minus 4, we will get, this is 3, we will get AB square minus AC square equal AD square plus BB square and minus AD square minus CD square. Just see AD square will be cancelled out. So AB square minus AC square equal to DB square minus CD square. We have the value of this DB and the CD. Just see here, DB is 3 by 4 BC. So 3 by 4 BC whole square minus CD is BC by 4 whole square. It will be 9 upon 16 BC square minus BC square by 16. LCM is 16, so 9 BC square minus BC square. It is 8 BC square upon 16. Taking the cross here, and this will be in the same way, AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square, and AB square minus AC square. Now cross multiplication, 2 is multiplied by this, so 2AB square minus 2AC square equal to BC square. Just transfer 2AC square into that side, so it will gives you 2AB square equal to BC square plus 2AC square. Just match this, 2AB square equal to BC square and 2AC square. Now it is proved. So this was question number 14. Let us see in a question number 15 now. In the question number 15, it is given that in an equilateral triangle, so equilateral triangle is given here at first. Let us have an equilateral triangle. It is said that in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC. Let us draw the figure a little bit bigger. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle ABC and D is a point on side BC. This is like that, D, such that DB equal to 3 CD. So it is given in ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point on BC and BD equal to 1/3 BC. It is given in the question कि DB equal to BD equal to 1/3 BC. To prove To prove 9AD square equal to 7AB square. Construction is there. Draw perpendicular AE on BC. Draw AE perpendicular BC. Now let us solve this question. Proof. It is given in the question that BD equal to 1/3 BC. Our first work is here that we will make B and C equal, and to make it equal we can write it by the theorem, and we can also do it by using the congruency rule. So I am using the congruency here. So in triangle AEB, I am going to congruent this triangle and triangle AEC. So AB equal AC. And these are the sides of equilateral triangle. Number 1. Number 2, AEB, angle AEB equal to angle AEC 90 degree each. And third one, A equal to AE, this is common. So we can say that BE equal to CE, CP, CP, and you can also write BE equal to BC by 2. Okay, so we have the value of BD as well as the value of BE. So this is BD and this is BE. So let us find D here. D equal to BE minus BD. So B is BC by 2 and BD is BC by 3. It will give 6 LCM. So 3 BC minus 2 BC. So BC by 6. So this is the value of DE. So we got the DE equal to BC by 6. Now we have to use the Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEB and in triangle AED. So make two equations. In right triangle AEB, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal AE square plus B square. And in right triangle, this is smaller triangle AED. Again by Pythagoras theorem, AD square equal AE square plus D square. This is equation number 4. So now we will subtract equation 3 and 4. So 3 minus 4. Look here. Equation 3 and 4. By doing this we will get AB square minus AD square equal AE square plus D square minus AE square minus D square. Now see, it will be AB square minus AD square equal A square is cancelled, B square minus D square. And now this is AB square minus AD square. We have to put here the value of B and D. B equal to BC by 2. So just write here B equal to BC by 2 square, and DE is, where is D? DE, BC by 6. to just write it, AB square minus AD square equal to BC square by 4 minus BC square upon 36. Again, AB square minus AD square equal to 36 is the LCM. 9 BC square minus BC square. It is now 9 minus 1. AB square minus AD square equal to 8 BC square upon 36. AB square minus AD square equal to, make it cancel, this is by 4, 4 2s are and 4 9s are, equal to 2 BC square by 9. Now the cross multiplication, 9 AB square minus 9 AD square equal to 2 AB square, because AB equal BC. These are the sides of equilateral triangle, so they will be equal. Transfer this AB square into this side, so it is 9 AB square minus 2 AB square equal to 9 AD square. And this is 7 AB square equal to 9 AD square. And now this is proved. So this is question number 14. This is question number 15. We will solve now. We will solve now the question number 16 here. Question number 16 is, again there is an equilateral triangle, and we have to prove that in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. To draw the figure, we have to draw an equilateral triangle for this. This is question number 16. Equilateral triangle should be there. A, B, C, and one altitude also. This is D. So given ABC is an equilateral triangle, okay, and to prove, also just take AD is an altitude. To prove, it is given to prove that if 3 times square of one side is 4 times the square of altitude, so 3AB square will be 4AD square equal to 4AD square. So now prove this. Our first work to prove this triangle and this triangle congruent. Okay, we have done these things in previous question, question number 15. Again here we can prove in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Just write down the things. AB equal AC, sides of equilateral triangle. Number 2, angle ADB equal to angle ADC, 90 degree each, and AD equal to AD. This is common side. So therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD RHS. Okay, we have made it congruent, and after getting this we can write BD equal to CD. If BD equal to CD, then we can also write BD equal to BC by 2. Now come in any triangle, either on this and on this. We have taken BD, so we will move in this triangle. Also again in right triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay. So look here, AB square equal to, at the place of this BD we can write BC by 2 square, BD equal to, from equation 1. Okay, now solve this. It will give us AB square equal to AD square plus BC square by 4. Okay, we can convert this BC into the term of AB because this is an equilateral triangle and all the sides of equilateral triangles are equal. So just you can write here AB square by 4 because AB equal to BC. Just transfer this AB square into this side. It will give us AB square minus AB square by 4 equal to AD square. Take the LCM, 4AB square minus AB square equal AD square. And this is 3AB square equal 4AD square by getting the cross multiplication, and this is proved here. This is all for today. In this way we have completed our chapter number 6. Thank you.